In the sunny seaside town of Sunny Shores, where Super Ryan lived, there was a beach so beautiful it twinkled like stars in the sky. Families and friends adored it, giggling as they splashed in the waves and built sandcastles taller than towers. But one day, something unexpected happened. Super Ryan and his pals were all set for a day of beach fun. They packed their buckets and spades, ready to dig and play. But when they arrived, they found a big surprise waiting for them. The beach was covered in garbage, with trash scattered everywhere like confetti. "Oh my goodness!" gasped Super Ryan, his eyes wide with wonder. "What's happened to our lovely beach?" As they explored, they saw animals stuck in the rubbish. A seagull had its wing tangled in a plastic bag, while a crab had a soda can stuck on its claw. "We have to help them," Super Ryan declared, his heart filled with kindness. Without wasting a moment, Super Ryan and his friends sprang into action. They carefully untangled the animals and set them free, one by one. With each rescue, they felt a warm glow inside, knowing they were making a difference. But there was still work to be done. Super Ryan knew they needed to clean up the beach to keep it safe for everyone. So they gathered all the kids in town and set out on a mission to make the beach sparkle again. The Great Garbage Gathering Adventure. Armed with gloves and trash bags, Super Ryan and his crew combed the beach, picking up every last piece of garbage they could find. They laughed and sang as they worked, turning the cleanup into a game of treasure hunting. As the sun began to set, the beach looked better than ever. The sand sparkled, the waves danced, and the animals played happily once more. And as they sat around a cozy campfire, Super Ryan knew that even little heroes like them could make a big difference. With a cheer and a hug, they celebrated their success, knowing they had saved their special beach. The end, with smiles all around.